Hello everyone, I'm Elton Crespo. I'm very glad to meet you. Today is a special day for me because I will officially become the spokesman of Yabo Sport from today. Yabo Sports, as one of Asia's top sports entertainment sport betting platforms, has become one of the largest in Asia within 3 years, which is mainly dependent on the most solid financial sports, the most professional practitioner, and the most advanced software development technology in the industry. Yabo Sport, a legal online gambling platform, has been accredited by Philippine government and under the supervision of PACCOR Gambling Council. Yabo Sport is a comprehensive and diversified platform based on sports, except for more than 500 different categories of exciting events for players to bet. There are many other entertainment options like eSports, live actions, lottery, video games, and so on, offering players perfect game experience. The reason why I choose to be the spokesman of the Yabo Sport is its professional sport addiction to its abundant fan strength. I really appreciate that during the Russia World Cup, Yabo Sport sponsored my home country, Argentina's national team. Moreover, in the new season, Yabo Sport is also the sponsor of Premier German team Hertha Berlin. Only those sport platforms that are competitive and focused on the hottest event are the platform you can truly trust. Being the spokesman of Yabo Sport means an honor as well as a responsibility to me. So from now on, I will urge Yabo Sport to provide more better sports service for sports fans. We will also together carry out a series of activities that will benefit Asian fans. Please look forward to it.